bar defense. If you don't know, we can help with that as well. But if you do, and you have not scrolled through this 28-page application, 21 pages of which require you to fill information in, then we're here to support you if this scares you because it's quite extensive. You have to choose a claim category. There's eight. For example, employment prospects. You have to talk about how the school lied or defrauded you and what your results are, as well as provide evidence. There's career service section. There's accreditation and qualification. The point is, we're here to assist transferability of credits. You don't have to fill out every section, but the sections you do want to make a claim against, you have to fill them out completely. It's quite extensive, essay driven questions. If you're interested in getting support to submit a really strong claim to get your loans discharged, we're here to help. Essentially, we not just fill out the entire application for you, we help you find evidence and get your claim accepted so you can get your loans discharged. Wanted to scroll through it here. And if you haven't already looked through it, I encourage you to do so. We're on standby. Click the link to book your 15-minute session or get our complete bar defense filing kit on the how-tos of this application.